The Golden Secrets of Drawing. Number 23. Drawing is understanding. When you draw something, you build an intense relationship with the object being drawn and the image being created. It takes time to observe the object or scene. You have to think about it, ask questions about it, and interpret a huge amount of data which is fixed not only on paper, but in neural pathways in your brain. Once fixed, those pathways remain, allowing you to draw from memory far better than you would if you had just seen and memorized an image. If you spend time drawing, the brain thinks the information is important, so it stores it away safely. Taking a photograph or looking at an object, image or scene, or even colouring in a pre-drawn image does not give your brain nearly as much information. Because you spend less time with the image, the brain thinks it's less important, so it treats the information as ephemeral. The brain thinks that quality time spent drawing must be important, so the image and the learning and understanding from it are stored. If you want to remember, draw it. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about chessboard pieces? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.